Hey guys, welcome back. We've got a lot done since the last video. Cab is all done. As you've seen in that last video, we had everything welded up. I'm getting ready to start on filler there. But we're really going to town on the box. We got a lot of the rust cleaned out. A couple of patch panels ready to go. We got a big section already cut out of the floor. I'll show you that. And then when I get home tonight, my new steps are here for the truck. So I'll unbox them, show you what we got going on there. Well guys, we're starting in the box. As you can see, there's plenty of reduced weight. I think we got 4 patch panels to put in. They're like 18 by 48. So for this here, there's a cross member missing there. I already took out. And this top one here, we're going to take out. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so you can see these cross members here are pretty good, and this one even, but as you can see, all the rot started in there. A lot of it I'm going to have to cut out almost all this floor out, and you're basically just saving enough of the edges to weld to. And see all that rot there. There's actually a cross member that goes there and there. I bought one new cross member. I had some old metal laying around, and I looked at this where I cut that out there, where you can see the gap between the two pieces. The steel I got laying around the shop actually is going to work perfect for patching that. So what I did, guys, I found this box tubing. I left them little pieces of the old cross member just so I could keep my spacing, because I'm cutting this floor pan out. You can see this sits right between there. And then I will, so once I get the floor pan out, I will weld that in there. And we will have a good cross member to weld the rest of the floor to. And then I'll grind off what's left of these little brackets and clean it all up. Okay, so these are the steps I got today in the mail. Picked these up on eBay, I think for $42 for the set. Let's take a look at them. Pretty decent stuff. Both come with a hardware kit. They look pretty decent on there. I think the hardware mounted. Okay guys, well, got the first patch panel in, cut and tack welded in place. They started welding it up pretty good. We're going to get this welded up the rest of the way, and then we'll cut the next section out. We're going to do one section at a time so we can keep welding into new metal. We got a lot of patching to do. It's awesome. Zay's been out here welding away, and you can see there's quite a few holes to patch. But that, man, that's, I mean, short of buying a whole floor, which if I had known I could have got it cheaper, or as cheap as it is, I would have ordered the whole floor. Stay tuned, this box is coming together pretty quick. Hey guys, thought I'd show you these cabinets and see what you thought of them. Took them this weekend, sanded them down, threw some paint on them. Put on my Rock Auto magnets. As you can see, we buy plenty of parts there. Anyway, painted them up, was able to get rid of a real tall cabinet I had sitting here. And then I was able to put my old gas pump on top of there. I'm actually going to wire the globe in on top with a nice LED light, so I can light that up. But thought I'd make a nice little add to the shop here. Tell me what you think about them. Thanks.